So I'm going to teach you a practice that's going to help you enact a lot of what we're talking about in this episode, and you'll see how and why when I explain the practice to you. But first, make sure that you've centered, you've rooted, and you've done the Socratic humble wonder practice. That puts you in the right frame. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift your eyes up and open them. And Austin, who's done a lot of work on Zen of the Brain, talks about these two different orientations and how this lifting up makes you reality-centered, and then looking down actually makes you ego-centered. Different areas of the brain are triggered. And notice we're trying to put these into ratio religio, right relationship, reciprocal opening. So you're going to open your eyes, open your mouth, open your hands, lean forward, opening up your heart, not just opening your arms, but leaning forward, opening your heart, opening your eyes like in wonder, opening your mouth like in awe, and inhaling, right to the horizon of horror. And then the opposite, exhale, everything collapsing in, eyes closing, head coming down, and the like into a warm bath, coming into the hearth of home, to the horizon of horror. And then at your own pace. Do that at least 4 times. Second practice. We want to come into an awareness of awareness. You're centered, you're rooted. I'll talk you through this. So close your eyes. See. Well, all I can see is the inside of my eyes. So what? See, just see. Listen. We're doing all of your senses. Touch. Feel where you're touching. Taste. There's a taste in your mouth right now. Smell. Smell. Now do them all at once. Now, what do they all have in common? They're all awareness. Become aware of that awareness that they all have in common. The awareness of awareness. And then notice there's nothing you have to do to do the awareness of awareness. You just can rest in that place, the pure being aware, the pure being of awareness. It's both within you and without you, inside of you and outside of you. The awareness of awareness. Just being aware. The pure being of awareness. Pure realization. Pure realization. So those are 2 practices to practice for this week. The first one, just add it onto the sequence, the centering, the rooting, the humble wonder, and then the horizon of horror, hearth of home, or the home of the hearth, whichever works for you. Back and forth. The other one, practice it on the side. Center and root first. Spend more time in it. each one of the senses. And what do all the senses have in common? That awareness, that receptivity, that realization, that awareness of awareness. And then just, you don't have to do anything. You can just rest there. Just pure being aware. And then the just pure being of awareness, that pure realization within and without. And then next week, after the next episode, you'll see how that awareness practice, awareness of awareness, pure realization, and the aha lead to a third practice and a fourth practice that I'll teach you in that sequence. Keep up all your other practices, the study, the imaginal work, the dialogical engagement,